Firing up an Ooni Koda 16, it's super easy. How much easier can it get? Got your propane tank hooked up, make sure that thing's full and that nozzle on your regulators hooked in there properly. Get full flow of all that gas into the rig so we can blaze it up super hot. Turned on, got it hooked up, and then you just come in here on the knob right here. It just has the little round one showing that it's closed, and then Uni just recommends pushing it in, holding it for 3 seconds as you turn. It'll click with the ignition. You can hear it blaze up. Hold for 5 more seconds. Sounds about good, and then just crank it on over. I got this thing not totally on full blast. Uni says you shouldn't blaze that thing at full bore all the time. So I turn it down just a little bit when I'm heating up. It also just depends on the style I'm gonna bake. But this thing is looking sweet. The L flame blazing up super hot. 20-minute minimum. I think you should go at least a half an hour heating this thing up. I want it hot. Cook those pizzas fast, crispy, bomb style. Can't wait to put another pie in this oven. One love.